Oil powers our world. It fuels industries, moves vehicles, heats homes, and drives economies globally. Yet, the process of reaching oil buried thousands of meters beneath the Earth's surface is one of the most complex engineering feats in existence. Oil drilling is not simply digging a hole. It is a carefully planned, highly technical operation that integrates geology, mechanics, pressure control, and cutting-edge technology. It is an orchestration of precision, skill, and innovation. Millions of years ago, organic material trapped beneath layers of sediment was transformed into hydrocarbons through heat and pressure. Over time, these hydrocarbons migrated into porous rock formations called reservoirs. Oil is not stored in underground lakes, as many imagine. Instead, it exists within tiny pore spaces between rock grains. Accessing it requires carefully engineered wellbores that maintain safety, efficiency, and environmental protection. Before any drilling equipment is installed, geologists and engineers perform detailed surveys of the potential site. Modern seismic technology allows scientists to see beneath the Earth's surface. Powerful sound waves travel through layers of rock and return signals that are converted into detailed 3D and even 4D images. These images reveal the location, size, and structure of hydrocarbon reservoirs, reducing the risks associated with drilling and increasing the likelihood of success. Once a site is confirmed, the drilling rig is installed. The rig, whether onshore or offshore, is the central platform from which drilling operations are conducted. Offshore rigs may include semi-submersibles, drill ships, or jack-up platforms, while onshore rigs are mobile and designed for different terrains. The rig contains several critical systems. The hoisting system lifts and lowers heavy equipment, including drill pipes and tools. The rotary system rotates the drill string and bit, enabling it to cut through layers of rock efficiently. Modern rigs often employ top drive systems, allowing precise control over speed and torque. The circulation system is equally vital. Drilling fluid, commonly called mud, is pumped down the drill string and returns to the surface. This fluid performs multiple functions. It cools the drill bit, carries rock cuttings to the surface, stabilizes the well walls, and controls underground pressure. Without proper mud management, the well could become unstable, leading to dangerous situations. Safety is a central focus in drilling. Blowout preventers, or BOPs, are installed at the wellhead to control pressure and prevent uncontrolled release of hydrocarbons. In case of sudden pressure surges, a BOP can seal the well in seconds, protecting personnel, equipment, and the environment. Drilling begins by spudding the well, which means the drill bit starts cutting into the surface. As it progresses, the bit penetrates different layers of rock. Sensors monitor pressure, temperature, and formation properties in real time. Engineers adjust drilling parameters based on this data to ensure the operation remains safe and efficient. At certain depths, casing pipes are inserted into the well. Cement is pumped around these casings to secure them and prevent fluids from migrating between formations. This process protects the well's integrity and ensures environmental safety. Directional and horizontal drilling have transformed oil extraction. Not all wells go straight down. Engineers use directional drilling to steer wells through complex formations, while horizontal drilling extends wells laterally through reservoirs. This increases the contact with oil-bearing rock and dramatically improves production rates. Modern directional drilling relies on tools such as rotary steerable systems, measurement while drilling, and logging while drilling devices. These technologies provide real-time information about well trajectory, formation pressures, and rock characteristics. Engineers use this data to guide the well precisely to the target reservoir. The oil field today is increasingly digital. Artificial intelligence and machine learning analyze massive volumes of geological and operational data. AI systems can predict equipment failures, optimize drilling speed, and improve well placement accuracy. Autonomous drilling systems adjust parameters automatically, increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. Remote operations centers allow engineers to oversee drilling activities from thousands of kilometers away. Drones monitor offshore rigs, pipelines, and infrastructure, identifying leaks, structural issues, and potential hazards before they become critical. Advanced sensors track vibration, pressure, and temperature continuously, enabling proactive decision-making. Despite all technology, safety and environmental protection remain the highest priorities. Every operation follows strict standards and regulatory guidelines. Crew members undergo continuous training to handle emergencies, and emergency response systems are tested rigorously. Environmental monitoring prevents contamination of soil and water and ensures minimal impact on surrounding ecosystems. Oil drilling is not just about technology, it is also about teamwork and human expertise. Engineers, geologists, rig operators, and safety personnel work in coordination to ensure every phase, from survey to completion, is executed flawlessly. Every successful well is a testament to planning, skill, and innovation. As wells reach their target reservoirs, logging operations provide critical information. Engineers analyze porosity, permeability, and hydrocarbon saturation to determine production potential. Production planning begins with careful design of well completion systems, including tubing, valves, and surface equipment. Horizontal drilling and hydraulic fracturing have revolutionized oil and gas production globally. Shale plays, previously inaccessible, are now major sources of hydrocarbons. Technology enables companies to maximize recovery while reducing the number of surface wells, minimizing environmental impact. Digital oil fields, autonomous rigs, and AI-driven analytics are no longer concepts of the future, they are reality today. Artificial intelligence evaluates seismic and drilling data faster than humans, improving decisions and reducing costs. Autonomous systems optimize drilling parameters in real time, increasing efficiency and safety. The combination of technology, engineering, and human expertise allows us to reach hydrocarbons safely, efficiently, and sustainably. This process powers our industries, fuels our transportation, and supports modern life globally. Understanding oil drilling is critical for engineers, students, policymakers, and anyone interested in the energy industry. It shows how science, technology, and careful planning converge to extract one of the most valuable resources on the planet. If this video has added value to your knowledge, please like this video, subscribe to the PGSL channel, and share it with others. Stay tuned to Pegis Global Limited for more world-class oil and gas education. Pegis Global Limited, empowering energy through knowledge.